Namaste, welcome to Gita's kitchen. Today's video is a special request from one of my subscribers, also a very close friend, Shirley George, and she requested me to do a one dish meal which we can use it say on a moonlit night. You go to the terrace with the whole family sitting around and enjoy this. This request of hers brought back a flood of memories, and today I am going to show you a very simple and easy sambar rice. For this I have taken raw rice, regular Sona Masuri raw rice, and Tuvar dal. This I had washed and soaked in 1 cup of water already half an hour earlier. So this is the washed rice we will place in a pressure cooker, and also the dal along with the water in which it was soaked. So now add 1 cup of water. I am adding a pinch of Haldi to this and also half a teaspoon of ghee. We will cover this and cook it for 3 whistles. Just take half a teaspoon of oil and add 2 tablespoons of dhania or coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of Channa dal, 1/4 teaspoon of Methi, 4 dry red chillies. Now roast all of them till the dals and the chillies are well done. Finally add just 2 or 3 of these shallots, that is this small onions or sambar onions. You can cut it and add to this. Just fry for a few seconds more. We will remove this, and when cool we will grind it into a powder in a mixie jar. See, our masala is done and ready. We will keep it aside. Here I have soaked 1 amla size piece of tamarind for about 10 minutes. We can extract the juice. The speciality of this rice is generally it used to be made while going on picnics also. So we need just rice and dal, and then whatever vegetables were found in your home or garden, they were all added to the sambar. So today when I looked into my fridge, I found these vegetables. We have some small onions here. I have some drumstick, capsicum. Here I have this brinjal which I have chopped and kept in water. And generally they add some drumstick leaves. Here I could not find drumstick leaves, so I am using regular amaranth leaves, just a handful I have cut, and 1 green chilli and 1 tomato. This is what we are going to use for this. First let's heat a spoon of oil. When the oil is hot, we will add some mustard seeds, a few curry leaves, a little bit of Hing, next we will add these small or sambar onions. They add a very special taste to this rice. If you don't get this, yes, the next option would be to add regular large onions, but this gives a really very special flavor and taste to your sambar. So let the onions fry a little bit. This is a neem wood ladle from Gita. I'll give you the links for these products in the description box. After a few minutes, when the onions are lightly fried, you can add in 1 fried red tomato. Fry that also. Next, just 1 green chilli. Then these drumstick pieces. A little bit of capsicum. I had 1 small capsicum with me, and then the chopped brinjals. Next we can add in this greens also. What a lovely colorful combination. You can use other vegetables like carrot or yellow pumpkin, broad beans, whatever is available. That is the beauty of this recipe. Next, add some turmeric powder, salt to taste, see, this ladle has such a lovely smooth finish and very easy to maintain too. It's a pleasure using it. Next, we'll add in this tamarind extract to it. Allow it to boil till all the vegetables are well cooked. Now let's open this and have a look. Just check if your vegetables are done. See, this is done. Now we can add this ground masala to it. Mix it all well together. You would have noticed I didn't use any coconut in this masala because this sambar rice was also used, as I said, for going on picnics, and when you add coconut it might spoil quickly, so we don't use coconut in this. Let's check our rice too, how it is done. Just allow the sambar to boil for a few minutes, then we can add that cooked rice and dal to this. I'll switch this off now. We can add this cooked rice and dal. Add it little by little and mix it. Mix it all well together. Don't add all the rice at once because only you have to leave it a little bit loose, as it will absorb the sambar over time. As an accompaniment, we'll just fry some appalams. So remember, we are making it for a moonlight dinner or for a picnic. So we may not have plates ready over there when we go out. I remember we used to use these badam leaves and wash it in the nearby waterfall if you have one, or wash it with water if you have. So now you can just serve it on these badam leaves or banana leaves if you have, along with the fried papad, fried appalam. I remember the food being packed in containers like this. It's called a thook in Tamil. You have the rice and the appalam. As I said, this brings back a host of memories. I remember my father was very fond of this sambar, and he used to lovingly call it as all put sambar, because all vegetables were put into that sambar. Whatever vegetables were available at home, you can use red pumpkin, you can use broad beans, you can use carrot, regular French beans, whatever you find at home. That is the beauty of this sambar recipe. And you know, our mothers are also very innovative, because by the end of the week you might have a little bit of each vegetable remaining. Before you go for your next weekly shopping for vegetables, you might have one single carrot, a small piece of pumpkin, maybe a few beans left, which may not be enough to make one side dish enough for the full family. So you take a little bit of everything and make this sambar rice. So thank you, Shirley, once again for reminding me of this wonderful meal which we used to have. Please do try it out. Have it as a regular lunch or dinner if you are not able to go out or you don't have a terrace, but still you can enjoy it with your family. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.